Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the Chrome Profile Selector on startup so you can choose the right profile every time you open Google Chrome. This is really useful if you manage multiple accounts, separate work and personal browsing, or just want a faster way to switch profiles without digging through menus. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the profile icon. This is the small icon that shows your current Chrome profile, and it's where Chrome keeps all of your account and profile options. After you click it, a menu should appear. From that menu, select Manage Chrome Profiles. This will open the Chrome Profile Manager window, where you can see all the profiles you've added to the browser. If you use multiple Google accounts, this is where Chrome organizes them for easy access. Now that the Profile Manager is open, look for the option that says Show on Startup. This setting controls whether Chrome shows the profile picker every time you launch the browser. To enable it, simply turn the toggle on. Once it's enabled, Chrome will display the profile selector whenever you start the browser, so you can choose the profile you want before you begin browsing. This is especially helpful if you share a computer, work with multiple Google accounts, or want to keep browsing activity separated between different users. After turning it on, you can close the Profile Manager. The next time you open Chrome, you should see the profile picker right away. If you ever want to turn this feature off, you can follow the same steps and switch Show on Startup back off. And that's it. You've now enabled the Chrome Profile Selector on startup. Super simple, but really handy if you want better control over your browsing profiles. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.